Across Jamaica, hotels and tour guides frequently tell tourists not to trust the locals and tell them not to wander too far off the beaten track. However, off the main roads, in the hills and residential areas, the roadside street food you can find here is some of the best food in the world. Regardless of negative media portrayals of the island, in these places I met some of the best people I've ever met in the world, and in the process had some of the most incredible meals at prices you won't even believe. Right now, Great Pond Ochi, and just come to check my man Greg. He's got the most fire shack just down there, so we're gonna come check it out, see if he's open today.
Come on, bless up, welcome to the Roadblock Brunch, Don't know, Chef Greg with this, We have all type of things for you on the menu, you see me? Peanut porridge, ackee and saltfish, cow skin soup, you name it. Just come enjoy this, Blessed. See, like when they have killed chicken,
Yeah.
you're supposed to take out all the feather them, isn't it? Chicken on the way. And now some curry chicken on the way also. Come on.
Yeah, go on. Yeah, you can put it back on, yeah. Sometimes in Jamaica the best meals are in the most unexpected places, like this restaurant that shared a plot of land with a car repair shop. They even had a jerk drum made from car parts that cooked up an absolute storm. For those speeding across the island without much time to spare, usually soup is the order of choice. Quick, hearty and filling, with the daily choice always changing. Anything from beef, chicken foot, lobster, langoustine, usually accompanied with potatoes, dumplings, veg and much more, for anything from 60 cents to a few dollars.
the removal of Dr. Andrew Wheatley from his cabinet post. Supporters of the JLP and constituents of the besieged former minister showed their solidarity with his performance as MP. CBM Live Joel Crossgill has the details.
When you come at Kingston, Lisa's bar and restaurant, and Lisa's fish and food. Yeah, I know. Seafood specialist. It's a lot better. It's over there.
So what we got? Carrots, yellow yam,
Alright.
bean sprouts,
String beans,
Ocho,
carrot, yeah, sweet potato.
sweet potato.
So let's break it apart. It looks good.
Before you eat it.
Yeah.
What is it?
This is conch with okra, salad, and water crackers, baby.
Lisa Hideout
Bro.
off Spanish Town Road.
They don't want to try some of the soup by itself.
Huh? I'm okay. I might have a sip of someone, but I'm not really.
Yeah, get share mine.
Alright, I get you your cup. I get our cup.
Alright then, take care. Bye.
Party's on the rise. On the spot of the big 94.
That's what
Wow.
Sorry, what is this? What is this one?
No, this is
beetroot.
Who want curry chicken?
Now we could have eaten like
Fried chicken? Everybody want fried chicken?
curry.
Can I have the same like you just did? So that fried chicken with the curry sauce.
Yeah, that's what everybody wants.
Yeah.
Fried chicken or curry sauce.
What you guys get?
Alright. Nobody want curry goat.
Rice and peas, curry goat. Been as inspired in life as meeting folk who literally built their own restaurants with their own hands. If you come to Jamaica, please do support local and shop at these street food places, as this ensures money stays in the area and goes into the local economy, which will no doubt benefit the whole island.